What if a simple wildflower held the power to boost your immune system and fight infections? Meet Echinacea, one of the most popular herbal remedies in the world, with a story rooted in ancient traditions and modern science. Native to North America, Echinacea, especially Echinacea purpurea and Echinacea angustifolia, was revered by indigenous tribes like the Lakota, Cheyenne, and Sioux. For them, it was more than just a flower. It was medicine. They used it to treat snake bites, infected wounds, toothaches, and respiratory infections. These tribes chewed the roots or brewed the plant into teas, recognizing its ability to fight off sickness long before scientific validation. In the 1800s, European settlers observed native practices and adopted Echinacea into Western herbal medicine. By the early 20th century, American doctors called eclectic physicians were prescribing Echinacea for everything from scarlet fever to typhoid. Its popularity soared until antibiotics were introduced. But in recent decades, interest in herbal medicine has brought Echinacea back into the spotlight. So, what makes this purple coneflower so powerful? Echinacea contains alkamides, flavonoids, phenolic acids, and polysaccharides, all compounds that support immune health. These chemicals help activate macrophages and increase white blood cell production, your body's first line of defense. Traditionally, people drank Echinacea tea at the first sign of a cold. Today, you'll find it in capsules, tinctures, and lozenges. Some studies show it may reduce the severity and duration of colds by up to 30%. But like any remedy, Echinacea isn't for everyone. People with autoimmune disorders or allergies to plants in the daisy family should avoid it. And it works best when taken early. Don't expect miracles once you're already very sick. Always consult a healthcare provider before starting any herbal supplement. Echinacea has traveled from native campfires to modern health stores, carrying centuries of healing wisdom. Whether you use it or not, its legacy is a powerful reminder of nature's gifts. Have you ever used Echinacea to fight a cold or support your immune system? Let us know in the comments. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us next time as we explore more natural remedies that bridge the past and the present.